learn these three important chord shapes on the ukulele, starting with probably the easiest, which is the D shape. And these are bar chords, and these are movable chords, and that's the great thing about them. So for instance, this is D. You bar, this is called a bar, where you put your finger over two or more strings on the same fret. So you're actually going to bar all four strings on the second fret, and then you put your pinky on the first string on the fifth fret, first string, and that's a D right there. Okay, and then the G form is you're going to put your ring finger on the fourth fret, top string. You're going to put your middle finger on the third fret, second string from the bottom. It's like playing a G like this, right? You play a G like this, but it's like this with the bar. So you're still barring that. It's just like the D. You bar that second fret, right? So you got the D to the G. But with the D, remember, you're going to add that pinky. And then the last one is like the C. Here's how most people play the C on the ukulele. But this is the bar form of it. You're going to bar these two on the third fret, first two strings, fourth fret, the middle finger here, and then the fifth fret, the ring finger goes on top. That's your C bar chord. So now you have these three important bar chords that you can move anywhere. So for example, this is the D, right? If you move it up two frets, you got the E, F, G. Same with the C, you can move it. C, move it up two frets, you got D, E, F, and the same with the G. G, you got G, A, B, C, D, right? So that's the cool thing about this, is that you can move these chords all over, and these are major chords. You got the C, you got your G, and you got your D, C, and G. Okay, so and you can play Good Lovin' like I was doing at the beginning. Right. So enjoy and have fun, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.